I think that validation step when you're building systems is super important. And not that everybody needs to check everybody's work, but at some point, whether it's a manager or something just peeping in and having some quality control, I think is a great step to have. And then that way you can delegate some things that you want to still have your hands on at some point, but you don't want to do every little thing. So that could be your way to still be a part of it, have the system working for you.
And honestly, it's a best practice because whether it's a VA, an assistant, somebody else on your team that you're delegating to, or an AI, you probably want some sort of, maybe I should look at this before it goes out.
So this reminded me of a conversation I had a couple of weeks ago, and it was just a real casual conversation with just a friend of mine. And he was just talking through how he's realizing that he needs some standardization. Every client that they're managing very holistically, and it really falls on one main person because she's got all the institutional knowledge, which this institutional knowledge is a huge deal for a company, because if they leave, they just left with how to handle things. Things might be working great because you have that person. When they leave, that's when things suck.